In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create rounded image corners in Wix. Whether you're building a stunning web page for your business or putting together a personal portfolio, adding rounded corners to your images can help you maintain a smooth and modern design aesthetic. This process is simple, and I'm here to guide you through each step so you can achieve the perfect look for your site. First, you need to navigate to the Wix editor, where you'll begin by clicking on Add Elements. This option is conveniently located on the left-hand side of your screen. It serves as a gateway to a plethora of features that you can include in your design. Keep in mind, this is your toolbox where magic starts, so take a moment to familiarize yourself with it if you haven't already. Now, let's move on to the next step, selecting Image. This option will open up your photo database and give you access to a variety of images you can use. These might be pictures you've uploaded yourself or those you've saved from Wix's extensive free library. Remember, the choice of image can greatly impact your design, so pick something that aligns with your site's theme and purpose. After you've selected your desired image, it's time to position it on your page. Click and drag the image to a spot that feels right within your layout. Wix's drag and drop functionality makes it extremely easy to adjust, move, and place elements exactly where you want them. Consider the overall balance of your design as you decide on this placement. Once your image is in position, you'll want to head over to the Design menu. This is where the fun begins. Clicking on Design menu opens a new array of options that allow you to enhance and adjust the visual aspects of your image. It's your creative playground. Here you can experiment with different settings, but let's stay focused on achieving those rounded corners. To do this, you'll be looking for the rounded option. It's typically located as the third choice down in the customization list. Selecting this option will give you the ability to tweak your image corners, adjusting them to be rounded just the way you want. Don't be shy to experiment here until it fits just right with your design concept. Finally, after making your adjustments, it's time to take a step back and admire your handiwork. You have successfully added rounded corners to your image, giving your web page a polished and cohesive look. This simple touch can significantly enhance the visual appeal of your site, ensuring it looks professional and inviting. And there you have it. You've mastered how to create rounded image corners in Wix. Remember, practice makes perfect, so feel free to play around with these settings to find what truly works best for your site. Happy designing!